You all may be seated. Back on the record. State may call its next witness.
Josh Golden.
Could you get Josh Golden, please?
Sir, if you could raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm that your testimony in the matter pending before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
You can have a seat, sir. Sir, if you could state your name and spell it for our court reporter, please.
It's Joshua Golden, Joshua-Golden.
Mr. Golden, I want to call your attention back to 2000, 2001. Where were you living at that time, sir?
I lived in Deer Park in Athens.
Okay, and do you remember the exact address you were living at?
Yeah, it was 240.
240,
Deer
would
Park.
it be 240 Deer Parkway?
Correct.
Okay. Your Honor, can I get the Elma turn?
Yes.
There we go. All right, so. Ooh, too much. There we go. Mr. Golden, this has previously been admitted as State's Exhibit 37. Do you recognize State's Exhibit 37?
Yeah, that looks like the neighborhood when I was there.
Okay. Do you see 240 Deer Parkway in that picture?
This one down here in the bottom.
Okay, I think you can actually touch the screen and circle the address that you're referring to.
Here, I think there was another house next to us that went straight up that road, but I believe that one's the one that's 240.
Okay, and I'm going to ask you to wheel back over and speak into the microphone. I'm not going to. I think your eyes are kind of like mine. I'm not going to ask you to look at the screen anymore. Mr. Golden, do you remember January the 19th of 2001?
Yes.
Do you remember that as the day that there was an arson and murder located in Deer Park?
Yes.
On that day, did you have an opportunity to call the police to make a report to them?
I think it was that day, if I remember correctly.
And I guess what was it that made you aware of the potential to call the police?
Yeah, so that night, my roommate's car had been repossessed. We didn't have auto pay back then, so went out in the morning and he thought his car had been stolen, came in, said, I think my car has been stolen. We did call and try to make a report, and they said it had been repoed that night. So we went and picked it up that day.
And do you remember what kind of car you drove at the time?
Yeah, I had a white Dodge Stealth.
Okay. And what did your roommate drive?
It was an older blue Honda, and I think it was a Civic.
And so was his Civic in the driveway the night before on the 18th?
Yeah, because I always parked in the parking pad to the right, and he always pulled right into the front, right by the front door where we lived.
And when you woke up the next morning, was his car gone?
Correct.
Mr. Golden, those are actually all the questions I have for you, sir. Mr. Cruz may have some questions.
Cross-examination, Mr. Cruz.
Good afternoon, Mr. Golden. My name is Ahmad Cruz, and I have the privilege and honor of representing Mr. Edrick Faust. Is it okay if I ask you a couple of questions? Sure. I'd like to show you what's been marked as Defense Exhibit 13. Do you see your house on that exhibit?
I think it would be this one right here.
Okay. And I am going to give you a marker, and I am going to allow you to mark your home on this physical exhibit. Is that okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, I don't know that that's appropriate. I would object.
I agree with that.
That's right. I'd like to show you what's been marked as Defense Exhibit 14. Can you see Defense Exhibit 14 clearly?
Yes.
Okay. And would you agree that in the top right, that is the Deer Park community where my finger is located?
As far as I can tell, yes.
And I can show you different angles. Course indulgence.
I mean, yeah, that looks like the Deer Park. You talking back here in this area here?
Can you show me where on this you're stating what's the Deer Park area?
That looks like Deer Park there.
Okay, excellent. And what is this right here? Is this the Walmart on Lexington Road?
I would imagine, yeah.
Okay, thank you. And I'd also like to show you what's been marked as Defense Exhibit 15. And you'd agree that this area right here is a different angle of the Deer Park?
Correct.
And this area here would be the Walmart parking lot? Okay. Do you remember foot traffic in Deer Park, walking through Deer Park to go to that Walmart?
I don't remember there being much. I mean, I don't remember.
Okay, that's fair. Those are all my questions for you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Any redirect?
No, Your Honor, I'd ask that Mr. Golden be excused.
Any objection from Mr. Cruz?
No, ma'am.
You are free to go, sir. You may call your next witness.
Tiffany Schroeder.
Could you get Tiffany Schroeder?